name is Minajrun Belize. I post videos every Sunday at 6. And if you want to be a part of the Minajrun gang, give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe, follow me on all my social media platforms. And yeah, so today I'll be teaching you guys how to get this nice smoky eye for Valentine's. Quick, fast, and easy. Nothing hard, nothing that's gonna break your brains. It's very easy, very simple, and I go into detail. So if you're a beginner at doing makeup, this video is for you. So before we even start, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, follow me on all my social media, platforms, and yeah, leave a comment and let me know what part of Belize you're watching this video from and what part of the world you're watching it from. So enough talking, let's start the video. So the first things first, guys, get your eyebrows done. Do your eyebrows however you want. Everybody does their eyebrows differently. My eyebrows, they're not twins, but they're sisters. They're looking very cute today. If you guys want in-depth eyebrow tutorial and how I get my eyebrows looking like this, you could click here or here. I don't know. There's a little banner that's gonna pop up. Just click on that little banner and it's gonna take you to the video where I get my eyebrows and show you guys how I do my eyebrows in depth. So I'm gonna get my favorite palette, and that's the Morphe 35B. We want it to be easy and quick. So the first thing that we always do when we're doing our makeup, well, you could do whatever you want in whatever method you like. I usually do my eyebrows, my eyeshadow, and then my foundation and base, and then lashes is the last thing. So I want to do now, I'm gonna do my eyes. You see she's clean, so I'm gonna go into the Morphe 35B. You could use whatever eyeshadow you have. It's very simple and very easy. So I'm gonna start off with this soft red. Let me see. Yeah, it's a soft red. This is going to be my base. Start to apply that in the inner crease of my eyes. And with this red, because it's a little bit soft, we could take it a little bit higher than our natural crease of the eye. And when you're blending, all you gotta do is move in windshield wiper motions, meaning from one corner to the next corner to the next corner to the next corner, and you do it fast. And what you could do also is you could do circle motion just to make sure everything is blended out. So as you guys can see, I'm up close and personal, and as you can see, it's blended out. It doesn't look like it has any harsh lines. So I will be only doing half of my face, and the other half of my face I'll be doing it on TikTok. So go follow me on TikTok, guys. You're gonna enjoy it and love my content. It's amazing. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in with that deeper red shade, which is this, with the same brush, and we're gonna pick up as much product as possible, and we're gonna stamp this color in the inner V of the eye. As you guys can see, the inner V and the outer V. You don't have to do all of this. You could just apply it. You know, I'm just teaching you a basic smoky eye. You just apply it and you blend it together, and you're gonna have a nice red vampy look. It's it's very, very easy, guys. It's with blending, all you gotta do is make sure that you don't have harsh lines, and you take your time blending if you want your eyeshadow to look amazing. And then you're gonna pick up more of that eyeshadow and you're gonna take it into the inner corners of the lid, meaning the crease of the lid. And then what you could do now is you top off the excess and you start to buff that red up into your eyebrow, just to smoke it out a little bit. Not too much, but just a little bit. And bam, that's one eye completed. We're not gonna do too much. I'm just gonna apply lashes and that's it. So I literally have a whole entire video dedicated to this foundation. If you want to check that out, you can just click somewhere up here. A little banner is gonna pop out and you guys can see the foundation review on this foundation. This is my holy grail foundation. Love this foundation. It's the best. Full pigment, full wear, long wear. It's amazing. What I'm gonna do is we're gonna start with the foundation. We're gonna start off really light. I'm gonna apply some on my cheeks because we want this to look very natural and not overdone, and very easy, so that any beginner or anybody that watches this video could learn and do their foundation literally like this. But if you want a more in-depth foundation review and foundation makeup video, just click at the top. Like I said, click the little banner, and the little banner is gonna pop up, and it's gonna direct you straight to the other video with more information. I'm gonna go in now with my foundation brush, and like I said, we're gonna do a light coverage. We don't want too much, so we're just gonna buff this into the skin. You could take the excess, and I always bring it down to my neck because I have this coloration, hyperpigmentation on my neck. I use the foundation to conceal my under eyes. So what I do basically is I just apply and this helps for whenever you have eyeshadow going out. It cleans it up. So I'm gonna apply some on my forehead, and this is just so everything can blend out and look flawless. But if you close your eyes. So now we're gonna start to blend it out. It makes a huge difference, guys, trust me. Look at that. Look at that coverage. This is amazing. So whenever you feel like you've done with your foundation, like if you feel like you're finished, like I feel like I'm finished, I always do this one thing where I say, like, you're never finished when you think you're finished. So what I do is I just go back in with the foundation brush. I don't add any product. I just stipple everything and all over my face because I want my foundation to look like skin. Just so that I do this just so that there's not any streaks and everything looks flawless and blend out. I don't want anything to look like it's not blended out. So I'm done now. I did my extra blending out little tip. So now I know that my foundation is setting really good. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna contour and bake the face. So whenever you pick up your contour, always top off the excess. You could do this for beginners. If you don't know where is your contour line, you will always see a little dense color, a line here whenever you speak, or you just pout and throw a kiss. That little line is where you're gonna apply your contour, not exactly on the line but above it, because you want your face to look lifted. So we're gonna apply this. And the thing with contour, you do not want to do too dark of a contour. You just want a slight little bronze look so that your face has more dimension. You don't want to go in with a dark brown. Now I'm gonna contour the nose. And to contour my nose, I use this little contour brush, and I use this specifically just to contour my nose. Easy. So a lot of people, when they contour their nose, they like to do a little thing there. I don't do that. I like to bring it down and I cut it. I bring it straight down, so when I take pictures it looks like my nose is tiny. So now I'm gonna bake. Whenever I pull down here, it helps to apply more coverage, especially for me because I have under eye bags. Like, I have a lot of under eye bags. And what you want to do is you're gonna use this little sponge and you're just gonna apply. You're not gonna wipe off, or you're just gonna beat that product into the face so it sits on the face nice. So now we're gonna just cut the contour. You don't need a lot of powder, you just want to cut it so it's nice and sharp. You could apply some of the powder on the forehead. And what you're gonna do is, you don't have to, you could let this bake for a little while. I'm gonna let it bake for about 50 minutes, and then I'm gonna be right back. I don't usually let powders bake on my face, but we're gonna do it for today's sake. So I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take that same foundation brush that we used to apply our foundation. We're gonna rub it like this on our hand just to take off the excess foundation if it was wet. So we're gonna take the brush and we're just gonna pat down the powder, the bake that we did. Pat it down and rub it all over the face. And what this does, it gives the face a little bit more coverage. Because as you guys could see, if I didn't have, I'm gonna have for surgery to fix this soon, but I have really bad under eye bags. Like, they're really bad, like, while doing it. So I'm gonna do this side first. Then one all over the face, but from the bottom so it doesn't affect anything. I use this to highlight. I'm gonna get my favorite highlight. You always tap off the excess, and right before your face is finished drying, you apply that highlighter. Tip: start off with a little bit and just build your way up. You don't want to look like you overdid it. You want to look glazed, but you want to look natural. And I've been loving this little thing where I bring my highlighter all the way here, especially in pictures. I'm gonna highlight the nose and the Cupid's bow. So a tip with this, I usually try to put the most product at the front, like right on the tip of my nose, so I could get that little effect right there. And then I slightly, when I tell you slightly add a little bit on the bridge of the nose, and I pat that in so it's still highlighted. Now we're gonna do the Cupid's bow. You just relax your lips. There we go. So now I'm gonna go do my lips off camera and my lashes off camera, and I'm gonna be right back. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. It was so amazing. It was so easy. Like, literally, this took me a few minutes to do, and it's quite easy. A nice little smoky eye for Valentine's. I was gonna change this shirt and put a red shirt on, but like, red, I'm gonna look like I'm doing the most, and I'm already doing the most of the eyes. So this is how you get this nice red smoky eye for Valentine's. Very easy, very quick, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys learned a lot. Hope you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Thumbs up, it helps me out so much. Leave a comment, let me know what part of Belize or what part of the world are you watching this video from. And as you can see, I have some falsies. I love me the falsies. The lips, for the lips I went plain. I just did some lip liner and lip gloss. You know me, I always with the lip gloss. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys learned a lot. Give this video a big thumbs up, it helps me out. Subscribe down below, follow me on all my social media platforms, Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook. Follow me on TikTok, guys. TikTok is my new app. Like, I love doing makeup tutorials on TikTok. It's quite fun and fast, so you're gonna enjoy it there also. With that said, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys want more videos like these, leave me a comment, let me know what you want to see next, And follow me on all my social media platforms. And just, if you have something good to say it. With that said, thank you, my little runners. Thank you, all my new subscribers. Thank you to everybody. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys learned something. And I hope you had fun with me today. So, yeah. Bye, my little runners.